Alright, so in this how-to video, I'm going to show you how to make a quick link to your iPad home screen. If you find that, you're going to a certain website a lot, for example, Study Island, you'll see is right here. Rather than always going to Safari and then having to search for Study Island or search for your Math Moodle pages, like these two right here, I have like a Math 7 and an Excel 7. You'll also have like an English 7, a History, a Communications, and a Science 7. Rather than always going to the main screen and going to those pages, which would take a while, I'm going to show you how to make a quick link to those. So first, let's go into Safari. The first time, obviously, we'll have to search for it. So in order to get to Study Island, we can search for Study Island. Then we click on the link for Study Island. Okay. Now we're at the login screen. So this is where we would like to jump to immediately, rather than having to, use the search bar and actually search for it. So right here, this share button, whenever you see kind of a box with an arrow, it means we're going to share the page somewhere. Well, we're going to share the page to the home screen of our iPad. So we're going to click on that share button, and then right here it says add to home screen. So if I click on that, I don't want to just say add, I want to change this, otherwise it's just going to say log in. So I'm going to hit the X, and then I'm going to type in Study Island. Whenever you name one of your quick links, it's important to name it exactly what it is, so that way you know where it's telling you to go. So I'm going to click add, all right, and now it just added the quick link right here. So now if I click on that quick link, it's going to bring up this same page. So I can prove this here. I'll close that Safari page. I'll swipe down to our home screen, and then I'll click on our new link, and again it's going to take me right to my login screen, which is going to make it that much easier for us to get logged into that page. Now the next thing I'd like to show you, because you're going to want to be going to your Moodle pages quite often. In order to get to your Moodle page the first time, you're going to want to go to ISD 531. You can just search for that, click on our Byron Public Schools link, and then from there down here there's a little M on it, and we click on that, and that's going to take us to our Moodle pages. All right. Now from here you're going to have to get logged in. So let's get logged in. You don't want to just bookmark this page. You want to get all the way to your page. So I'm going to get logged in here. I'm going to pause the video for a second so I can get logged in. So now that we're logged in, you'll see the home screen here. One thing you'll want to make sure of is that if you go to the very, very bottom, right here it says switch to the recommended theme for your device. I don't want to be on that. I would rather be on the desktop. So if your screen looks just like mine, you're in the right spot. If your screen looks a lot different than this, then you might be on the mobile version of Moodle, and your 7th grade teachers would rather have you be on the desktop version. So make sure that you can use the link way down there to change the version. Now, all the classes that you are enrolled for are up here in the right-hand corner. It says My Courses. Your teacher on the first couple days, they'll get you enrolled into their course. Once you're actually enrolled, you can just click on these up here. But again, you shouldn't have to do this every time. I'm going to show you how to make the quick link, and you can put them right on your iPad home screen. So I'm going to click on 7th grade math. We're already logged into Moodle. Now this is the 7th grade math page. Okay, so we would like to create a link that's going to take us directly here from our home screen. So again, we're going to use this box with an arrow. I'm going to say add to home screen. I'm going to change the title to Math 7, and I'm going to click add. Okay, so now you can see right here it says Math 7 for the link. Now I'm going to go back into my Safari, and I'm going to close the window so we can see that it's going to take us right there. Now I'm going to click on Math 7, and it should open up for us right into that page. Okay, now since I did close the window, Moodle will log you out. So let me go ahead and log back in. Okay, so it'll log you out just for your own safety because this is your class. You can turn your homework in there. You don't want people to just grab your iPad, hit Math 7, and all of a sudden they're in your class as you. So it will make you log in every time. So you're going to use your password, possibly 5 times a day, which is fine. But once you do go in there, it's not going to take you to that home screen right away. It's going to take you right to our Moodle class page. Now, if you wanted to go to the home screen, you can just click on this, we call this a breadcrumb up on top. You click on home, and it will take you back to the home screen, so then you can quickly navigate to your other classes. So you can either do it that way, or you can just use your icons that you've created on your desktop. And I've put Math 7, as you can see, I have one down here that says Math 7. You may want to just create, I have, 6 icons on the bottom. You may want to create 5 icons right on the bottom, just for on your dock, just for your 5 core classes. That might be helpful for you. Now, once you create these quick links, you can make them into folders. So, if you wanted to take all 5 of your cores, instead of putting them on the bottom, you wanted to make a folder, you could go ahead and press and hold on those. All right, and if you drag them together, you're not going to be able to make a folder on the dock. But if I drag these two together here, it's going to go ahead and create a folder like this. It's going to put it inside, and then I can go ahead and change the title. So if I want to say 5 core or 7th grade core classes, I could change that title and be on my way. So that way my desktop's just a little bit more organized that way. All right, so good luck in making your quick links. You can do this with any website. Another thing you may want to do, if you didn't want all those bookmarks on your website, you could actually create bookmarks. Now this one here is going to be a bookmark. So you could add a bookmark. Actually it might be better for you to still use this box with the arrow, and then here it says a bookmark. And from here you can actually create folders within your bookmark. So if I click on bookmarks, do I want it on the bookmarks bar or in a folder? Again, you can kind of, I would definitely change the name, though, to Math 7. And then, if I hit save, now it's saved into my bookmarks. I can click on this thing up here, and you see it says Math 7. Let's try it another way. If I hit bookmark and go into the bookmarks bar, I can change it to Math 7, and we can see where that goes. Sometimes it'll show up, right down here. The bookmarks bar, it's actually just a folder for us. So now you click on it, it could be here. So again, just sometimes it's better to find ways to organize your iPad, and these are some of those ways. So good luck in finding a way that works best for you.